Okay, today I'm at the National Self-Build and Renovation Centre in Swindon, and I'm attending the Winter Weekend Show. And the Winter Weekend Show is where members of the public who are looking to either thermally upgrade their existing property or build a new extension or even a new house can come along and look at all of the exhibition stands and talk to the experts and get some advice on how to proceed. So Ecological Building Systems has two stands at this show. One is called Passive Eco Wall for new build, and the other one is Retro Eco Wall for retrofit. And what I'm going to do now is take you to see our new stands. Okay, so we've now arrived at our stands number 159 and 160. And the stand to my right is our Retro Eco Wall stand. And this is displaying a number of options for thermally upgrading existing solid brick, solid stone, or even cavity wall systems. And it's all to do with natural, breathable, water capillary active insulation. Okay, I've now moved on to our Passive Eco Wall stand. And this is all to do with new build, whether it be building an extension or even building yourself a new, breathable, highly insulated, airtight timber frame construction. Passive Eco Wall is all about high levels of insulation. It's about air tightness, so we have all of the membranes and tapes, air tightness combined with moisture management. And then we've also got some boards for reducing or eliminating thermal bridging. This is a product called Bosig Phonotherm. Okay, and finally, we're also showcasing our decentralized mechanical ventilation with heat recovery system. It's called Inventor. So what this system is all about, it's all about maintaining or creating very good indoor air quality, whilst at the same time not losing excessive heat. They extract warm, stale air through a heat exchanger, and then it stops, but then brings in fresh air back through the heat exchanger. So the fresh air, cleaner air, is actually heated back up. Okay, so we have all of the systems here. I have a number of colleagues with me today, technical specification advisors. We actually come here routinely every second Thursday, every month. And if you go on our website, you can pre-arrange appointments for a design consultation. There's no obligation, free technical advice. We can work with you to help you do your designs.